Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to our today's class. Today we will discuss about the relationship. Yes, students. Today we will discuss about the relationship among two countries, or between two countries, or among many countries. We know no country is self-sufficient in economically, politically, socially. All countries are dependent to each other countries. If any country is sufficient in economically, that country has a political problem or social problem. Or any country is socially sufficient or educationally sufficient, but maybe that country has economical problem. So all countries are dependent to other countries. For that, all countries make a relationship between or among many countries. Bangladesh also maintain relationship among many countries. In economic term, we classify all countries in three terms: developed countries, developing countries, and underdeveloped countries. And all these three types of countries have relationship with Bangladesh. We know in our world, our today our economic today we will discuss about the economic relationship of Bangladesh to out of the world. World means in our world, we know in European or Latin American countries are developed countries. They are developed countries, that mean they are financially enriched or economically they are enriched. And our African countries are normally they are underdeveloped countries. Underdeveloped countries, and many of the African countries and our Middle East countries and our South Asian countries are developing countries. And Bangladesh has relationship those all countries. Not only Bangladesh, every country has economic relationship with those three types of countries. In economic relationship, they maintain relationship through two terms. One relationship in foreign trade, and another relationship is foreign aid. Foreign trade and foreign aid. These two terms are maintaining in economic relationship of all countries. Bangladesh also maintain these two terms. Bangladesh maintain foreign trade in all developed countries, underdeveloped countries, and developing countries. But maximum trade are running with in China, India, Japan, USA, these countries. And Bangladeshi economy or Bangladeshi trade is maximum portion are imported from China, India, and and our maximum portion exported into Singapore, USA, Thailand, Malaysia, these countries. And Bangladesh and our foreign aid, we know Bangladesh is a developing country, and we need some foreign aid for developing our country, education system, our road and highway, our agricultural system, and our health sector also. For that, we need some foreign aid. But not developed countries are not taking foreign aid. They give foreign aid in another developing or developed country. Like them, we also not only we taking foreign aid from developed countries or from economic organization, but also we give some foreign aid to many types of underdeveloped countries like Congo and South African some countries. And we get foreign aid from, mainly we get foreign aid from World Bank and our UNICEF and many of United Nations organization. And we get foreign aid from our very much our friendly relation with that countries, that is Japan. We get Japan, China. We get many types of facilities or aid from the Japan and China. So we know about the economic relationship of Bangladesh to outside of the world, and we discussed about it. So I hope you all are understand about the relationship, economic relationship of Bangladesh among the world, developed countries, underdeveloped countries, and developing countries. You will obviously you will read the textbook, your textbook, and solve the worksheet which is given in your worksheet, and you will also solve the MCQ from your textbook and one CQ from your textbook. I will mention in your worksheet. Okay, thank you very much, students.